New details about the alleged torture and murder of an 8-year-old girl by her father and stepmother in a Bakersfield hotel. I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter. Documents obtained by 23 AVC offer graphic descriptions of the alleged crimes. Viewer discretion is advised.
The probable cause declaration filed by the police department alleges that over a 2-day period, Raymata and Graciela Bustamante inflicted harm on the 8-year-old girl using scalding hot water, crushing one of her hands, causing her nails to separate from her fingers. The child's body was located by police in a bathtub at a La Quinta hotel in northwest Bakersfield. The report indicates that officers interviewed both Bustamante and Mata regarding the girl's death, but their statements conflicted, with each attempting to shift blame onto the other. Bustamante reportedly told investigators that, quote, she has allowed Ray Mata Jr. to abuse the children, end quote, for months to years, claiming that Mata would use charging cables and wire hangers to hit the children while she would leave them and go to the hotel pool. Investigators also noted injuries on another victim, an 11-year-old child. The report mentions that Child Protective Services were contacted to conduct a records check and that there is an active case involving Mata due to a previous report from a school staff member regarding a child who was absent and arrived with visible bruises.
In this particular case, once I saw her photo, I immediately noticed the haircut and some of the just facial features. I immediately thought there could be child abuse just based off of the photo.
In an interview, Lauren Skidmore, CEO of the Open Door Network, shared insights about the signs of child abuse that community members should be aware of, emphasizing the importance of vigilance in protecting vulnerable children.
Be very reactionary to an adult. They're going to dismiss adults, not look them in the eye. They might act out in class or act out in public settings. Those type of behavioral outbursts or behavioral reluctancies are very common in child abuse situations. There's also going to be family dynamics. You might notice that mother and child, father and child aren't close. They don't seem to want to communicate with one another. You might notice in a public setting there's lots of yelling, the way they grab the child. Those are all potential signs and red flags.
At their arraignment, both Mata and Bustamante pleaded not guilty to allegations of murder, torture, child cruelty, and mayhem. They are scheduled to be back in court on August 14th. Protective orders have been issued for all 7 other children involved in this case. In Bakersfield, I'm Sam Hoyle, your neighborhood reporter.